Okay, now that we have the stock head unit out of the car, we're looking at how to actually wire everything together. This big portion of the aftermarket harness is actually what goes into the car. So you're going to have the car stock harness going into this piece right here, and then you have all your leads coming out here. This is the actual harness that came with the head unit, but because we effectively need to make this on the end of this, we're going to be cutting pretty much all of these and adapting all these open ends onto all of these leads right here, all these wires here. So effectively this would replace this. Now on top of this harness does have a couple other capabilities. You actually have this portion here, which is a main portion. You have to get your antenna accessory power. And that's a big deal because obviously this doesn't have that portion itself. So that's what we're going to be using this, and that's as actually what the Axxess V1 is meant to interface with. And then from there you also have your mic, I believe, and then this is going to be for the steering wheel control. Exactly. Okay, very good. And this is what this harness comes pre-wired to work with the steering wheel control. There's some extra stuff on this steering wheel control actual harness that we won't be needing, but because this harness kind of has it all in one, we need a couple components out of here to put into this, and then it'll be a nice clean one harness setup.